The LG V20 is here, and today I'm doing a video about the OnePlus Nord N10 5G for Metro by T-Mobile. So this is Metro's first OnePlus device, so this is really cool. So if you guys want a OnePlus device on Metro, the Nord 10 5G is one for you to check out. It's available now. So like I said, this is Metro's first OnePlus device, so that's pretty cool. So there's the front there, front and back, never settle. Quick specs are 5G of course, warp charge 30T, and 90Hz refresh rate. Alright, so really nice there. And the OnePlus Nord N10 5G is $299.99, or it's free with porting, so that's really cool. So for $300 you're getting a great deal here, so that's great. So the phone, one phone, you guys will get a whole bunch of different camera. Power button on the right side of the phone. Check out the phone in motion. Power button on the right side there. On the back of the OnePlus Nord N10 5G is it looks like it has 4 cameras on it, which it does. It has 4 cameras coming across the presence of OnePlus logo and the OnePlus logo there. So pretty nice. And then on the other side of the OnePlus Nord N10 5G is your bang keys and your micro SD card and SIM card slot. I'm sure it has like an alert switch somewhere, I think. I don't see it on there. And then on top of the OnePlus Nord is your Nord Center smartphone. What the heck are we? Then up to the bottom there is your bottom. You guys have a headphone jack, Type-C charging, and your speaker. That's a pretty nice there. Says here, unleash the power of 5G with OnePlus Nord N10 5G, our most accessible 5G smartphone yet. A new disruptive force in the world of 5G. The OnePlus Nord N10 5G connects to the largest nationwide 5G network, enabling users to access blazing fast speeds. The 90Hz refresh, the 90Hz Full HD Plus refreshes 50% faster than standard displays every second, making everyday usage on the smartphone feel smoother and more responsive. Warp charge 30T, took charge speeds, 2 flexibles, a quick half an hour. Charge is all N10 needs to power through a full day. With the added bonus of feature pack wide camera system, you can also capture detailed photos and videos. Simply put, the OnePlus Nord N10 5G packs premium points at a accessible price on the largest nationwide 5G network. So the OnePlus Nord N10 5G, of course, is 5G. That's its main selling point. Will charge 30T with 4300 mAh battery, 90Hz refresh rate, 6.49 inch Full HD Plus display. That's an LCD panel. Quad camera system, 128 watts of storage, and expandable via micro SD up to 512 gigabytes, and price is may vary. So for $300 you're getting a great deal here. So we find this look very nice as well. Switch to measure by T-Mobile and get a free Nord 10, not 5G, so if you guys switch to Metro, y'all got some phone for free. Of course, it's 5G compatible, 90Hz refresh rate, 6.49-inch Full HD plus display. That's an LCD display. Quad camera system, warp charge 30 with 4300 mAh battery. Unmatched power of 5G. Powered by the late, powered by the fastest Qualcomm octa-core 5G chipset. OnePlus Nord N10 5G keeps you connected so that you can enjoy the digital world without suffering from lag. says OnePlus Nord N10 5G keeps you connected so that you can enjoy the digital world without suffering from long load times. Take charging to the next level. Warp charge 30 to take charging speeds to the next level with a large 4300 mAh battery. A half an hour takes you from dead battery to enough power to last a full day. 90Hz smooth display. The 90Hz display refreshes 50% faster than standard displays every second, making everyday uses like scrolling through social media or web browsing feed significantly smoother. There's a OnePlus Nord N10 5G video. If you guys want to check it out, go right ahead. It's available in midnight ice there, so pretty nice. And yeah, I will not be playing that video. Comparing issues and stuff like that. So the OnePlus Nord N10 5G, what a name for a phone, dude. Jesus fucking Christ. But 128 gigabytes of storage. You get about 100 gigabytes available to use, and I think you have 6 gigabytes of RAM, so not bad for $300. 6.49-inch Full HD plus display. That's an LCD display. Quad camera setup at 64 megapixels, 8 megapixels, 2 megapixels, 2 megapixels, and a 16 megapixel 5x camera. You have I think you have a depth sensor, a macro lens, ultra wide, and a main camera system on the back. So the 64 megapixel is your main camera, the 8 megapixel is your ultra wide, and your 2 megapixel camera are your depth sensor and your macro lens. So yeah, and you have micro SD card slot up to 512 gigabytes. So take advantage of that as well. Mobile hotspot, 25 hours of talk time, Oxygen OS, based on Android 10, so you do get Android 10 on board, which isn't too bad. It's like a version behind now. It does have Oxygen OS on there, so it's pretty cool. The OnePlus Nord N10 5G weighs 6.49 ounces, so not too bad there. Here are some accessories for the OnePlus Nord N10 5G. If you guys want to get accessories for the OnePlus Nord, go to Amazon and type in OnePlus Nord N10 5G to get your accessories from Amazon. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this OnePlus phone. This phone is looks very nice, great specs. For $300, you're getting a lot, and I think it's definitely worth every penny of it. This is Metro's first OnePlus device, so pretty cool. So if you guys been wanting a OnePlus device on Metro for a while now, Metro has you covered with that now with the OnePlus Nord N10 5G. It's available now for $299.99, or it's free when you guys switch and put your number over the Metro. So for $300, it's definitely worth it. If you guys get this phone for free, it's definitely worth it as well. So you do have to put your number over the Metro to get this phone for free, and I think it's worth it. And the phone looks very nice. It has great specs on it, and yeah, I think it's worth it. If you're paying it, dude, $300, you're getting 5G for $300. That's a fucking win right there. This is pretty cool, and I'm sure a lot of Metro customers will be happy that a OnePlus device is found that on Metro. So pretty cool there. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.